Assalamu alaikum class. I hope that you all are fine. Last time we have discussed about number of mole and we learned that how we can solve the problems related to number of mole. Today I am going to discuss about Avogadro's number. What are Avogadro's number? First of all, its definition. It is the number of particles in 1 mole of substance. 1 mole of substance. It is the number of particles in 1 mole of substance. It is denoted by capital N and capital A, written as. It can be denoted by NA and its value is 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 particles. It means if we have 1 mole of any substance, then we can say that it will have Avogadro's number. It will have 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 particles. For example, carbon 13 or carbon 12. If we have carbon 12 gram, then it will have 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atoms, and it is equal to 1 mole. Another example, if we have hydrogen and it is 1.008 gram, then it will have 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atoms, and it is equal to 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of every substance will contain 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 particle. Next, it helps us for the calculation of number of atoms in a given quantity of substance. Second, number of molecules, number of ions, number of bonds in given quantity of substance, number of bonds in a given quantity of substance, given quantity of substance. So, for the calculation of atoms, molecules, ions or number of bonds, we may take help of the following formula. Number of particles is equal to Na multiplied by N. Small n is the number of mole We can also write it as Na multiplied by given mass over molar mass. Now the particles may be atoms, ions or molecules. Some numerical problems are as find the number of molecules in 9 gram water. In this question we have given mass and molar mass of the substance of the molecule. So number of molecules is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 9 over 18. By the calculation we gain 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules in 9 gram of water. Avogadro number help us to calculate number of molecules in the given quantity of the substance. Now, same question, find the number of atoms in 9 gram water. In this case, the questioner is asking about number of atoms, not number of molecules. And in this case, water is in the form of molecules. So, what will be the procedure to solve such type of numerical? We will use the same formula. Number of molecules is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 9 over 18, and it will be 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules. Now we know that one molecule of H2O, one molecule of water contains 3 atoms, 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. So for this number of molecule we will multiply it with 3. 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules of water is equal to 3 multiplied by 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atoms, and it will be the number of atoms in 9 gram of water molecules. If we have to find the number of molecules, we can directly use its formula and we will obtain the number of molecules. And when we need to find the number of atoms, then firstly we have to find the molecules, and then we have to multiply the figure. We have to multiply the number of atoms in one molecule. Next type of problem may be questioner asks about find the number of bonds in 9 gram water. Same question is, find the number of bonds in 9 gram water. Now we have to calculate the number of molecules as usual we have done. Number of molecules is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 multiplied by 9 over 18, and its answer is 3.011 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Now we know that in water molecule one oxygen is making 2 bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms, this bond and this bond. Then we can say that one molecule of water has 2 bonds. Then such number of molecules will have the bond multiplied by 2. It means 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules of water will have 2 multiplied by 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 bonds, and it will be 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 bonds. Now you can see that I have taken the example of just water molecule, and it's 9 gram. 9 gram of water molecule, and just I have changed a little bit statement. In first numerical I just asked about the molecules. How many molecules are there in 9 gram water? And in second problem I asked about how many number of atoms are there in 9 gram water. First of all, you just have to recognize that the given quantity, given substance is either in molecular form, is either in atomic form, is either in ionic form. Then you have to apply the relative strategy for the solution. And in this case, the questionnaire is asking about number of atoms, and here is number of molecules. First of all, we have to find the number of molecules. Then we know that one molecule of water has 3 atoms, and the number of molecules, total number of molecules will contain the number of atoms multiplied by 3. Here will be the answer of this question. In this case, examiner is asking about number of bonds. If you know the number of molecule, then you can find the number of bond. The number of bond in a molecule, and then the number of bond in required molecule. Here we find the number of molecules. Then we know that there are 2 covalent bonds. There are 2 bonds in water molecule, and we will multiply the total number of molecules with 2, and it will give us a number of bond in the given quantity of the substance. I hope that it will be very clear to you. If you have any question regarding this topic, you may ask. Please subscribe my channel and share the videos, for the purpose is that many students may take benefit of this type of question, this type of lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.